Good day, I'm Lorraine Mendez and this is your JIS News for Tuesday, July 2. Cornwall Regional Hospital has a new $50 million radiology department. Officially opened on Friday, the state-of-the-art facility offers X-rays, computerized tomography CT scans and ultrasound services. Health and Wellness Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton says the new radiology department, coupled with the recent opening of an accident and emergency unit, are part of the building blocks in the restoration of the Cornwall Regional Hospital.
Supported by this facility here, I am prepared to say that we have now in Western Jamaica, coming out of the crisis of Cornwall, the most modern trauma center, equipped with the diagnostic, radiography equipment, the staff, the emergency services, including operating theater and waiting areas, and can compare with any other such facility, not just in Jamaica, but certainly in the region.
Cabinet has approved the re-establishment of the Jamaica Energy Council, the JEC, to continue the implementation of policy and sustainable development of the island's energy sector. The approval was given in late June. In a statement Tuesday, the Energy Ministry said the Council would facilitate consensus and minimize the negative influence of partisan and other forms of special interest groups and individuals on the energy sector. The work of the JEC is supported by the National Energy Policy 2009 to 2030. It provides the framework to pursue a comprehensive program for improving Jamaica's energy efficiency, facilitating fuel source diversification, and long-term energy security. The national decision-making body will be chaired by Minister of Science, Energy and Technology Favour Williams. It will also comprise representatives from government ministries, departments and agencies, as well as the opposition spokesperson on energy, academia and the private sector. The Jamaica Energy Council was first established in March 2012. Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett is now reviewing the report on the island-wide security audit of the hotel sector. The review was commissioned by Minister Bartlett and carried out by the Tourism Product Development Company with help from international security expert Dr. Peter Tarlow. Its aim is to ensure that Jamaica remains a safe, secure and seamless destination for visitors and locals. Minister Bartlett says the security audit report was completed recently.
We will have further discussions with the JHTA as to the recommendations and then how together we craft the new architecture for safety and security in Jamaica.
Minister Bartlett was speaking at Saturday's 58th Annual General Meeting of the Jamaica Hotel and Tourist Association in Montego Bay. Meanwhile, a team from the Tourism Ministry is now perusing the report from a comprehensive review of issues in the sector. The review was done by the Tourism Working Group, which is headed by senior partner at PricewaterhouseCoopers, Wilfred Bagaloo. The team looked at matters such as entertainment, noise abatement, work permits, and transportation. Minister Bartlett says the recommendations will inform approaches to deal with the new tourism models and their impacts on indigenous sectors.
Beyond the executive summary that they provide, a summary that we are putting together for the benefit of the ministers so that decisions can then be taken and for discussion, of course, with the sector.
Government is looking to identify permanent solutions to the water challenges facing some communities across the island. That's the recommitment from Senator Peanel Charles Junior, Minister without portfolio in the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation. He was speaking with stakeholders at the St. Elizabeth and Manchester municipal corporations recently. The meetings sought to identify sustainable solutions to address water challenges in drought-affected communities.
What I'm hoping to hear from you is an articulation of those minor systems or areas in your divisions and constituencies where you think there are things that could be fixed that would alleviate the need for trucking.
While long-term solutions are being implemented, Minister Charles says the state will continue to truck water to affected areas. And finally, the Chetolah Park Primary School in Hannahtown now has a $13 million special education unit. The special education unit merges the neighboring Mel Nathan Preparatory School and has been renamed the Chetolah Mel Nathan Special Education Unit. It's equipped with 4 refurbished classrooms and bathrooms, an assessment room, access ramp, multimedia projectors, Mimeo tools, books, furniture and storage facilities. The upgraded facility is the result of a partnership between the Ministry of Education and the Digicel Foundation. It caters to the needs of primary-age children who have learning and other developmental challenges. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Lorraine Mendez. Thanks for watching.